I will show you the easiest way to set up automatic investments with your Vanguard ETFs. Hey everyone, this is Andy from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from personal finance to credit cards. To get started, go to the Vanguard homepage, then click Transact, Recurring Transaction. This part can be a little bit confusing, but it's going to be a two-step process in order to set up an automatic investment to purchase a Vanguard ETF. The first step is to set up an automatic transfer from your bank account to our Vanguard settlement fund. The second step is to use money from your Vanguard settlement fund to purchase a Vanguard ETF. To set up an automatic transfer from your bank account to our Vanguard settlement fund, we can just click settlement fund here. Select the account you want to set up the automatic investment for. In this case, I'm just doing my Roth IRA. For the contribution method, you can select either option. I'll just do a specific contribution amount. Select your bank from the dropdown. If you don't have a bank listed here, go ahead and add a bank. And once you do, just select it from here. Select how often you want the automatic investment to run. In this example, I'll just do it once a month. When selecting the beginning on date, we need to make sure we select a date a couple days before we actually purchase the Vanguard ETF. For example, if we get paid on the 15th, and that's the same day that we want the automatic investment to actually buy the Vanguard ETF, then we want to make sure there's enough money in our settlement fund to be able to purchase that Vanguard ETF. So I would select a couple days before the 15th just to make sure there's enough time for the money to actually arrive in my settlement fund. So I usually do a week before. So in this example, I would just select the 8th. For this option, you can specify when you want to stop the plan. In this example, I'll just select the first option so that this recurring investment will always happen until I manually stop this plan. Specify the total amount you want to invest per month. In this example, I'll just do $1 and I'll just select dollar amount. If you see multiple options like I do, just make sure you select the option that says settlement fund and specify the same amount that you specified up here. So I'll just do $1. Once you filled out all these options, just click continue. Then click submit on this page to set up an automatic transfer from your bank account to your settlement fund. Now we can do the second step, which is to set up an automatic investment to use money from your settlement fund to purchase the Vanguard ETF. We can do that by going back to the Vanguard homepage, clicking Transact, Recurring Transactions, Vanguard ETFs. Select the same investment account that we used in the previous automatic investment. For frequency, select the same value as we used in our previous automatic investment. For the start date, just make sure to select 1 week after our transfer from our bank account to our settlement fund. So in this case, I will just do the 15th. Choose how you want to buy your funds. I'll just do dollars in this example, and I'll just do $1. For the funding method, we have to use the settlement fund since we're setting up an automatic investment for a Vanguard ETF. Click review order, click agree and submit, and now you successfully set up an automatic investment to purchase a Vanguard ETF. Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you want to know how to set up automatic investments with Vanguard mutual funds, click on the video on your screen now.